All right, sadistic procrastination. I'm like, hey, let's write some fucking unit tests because I don't feel like writing the actual code. And that's, yeah, fucking procrastinating. If I wrote unit tests the way I wrote them in this video all the fucking time, I would get nothing fucking done. So this is an illustrative example of what to avoid. Source code is here. Let's go down. In the hunkering functions section, in hunkering unit test main, we've added kind of more stuff, and this is getting out of fucking control. I should not have written a unit test for this. I should have just written the code, but now we're committed to finishing this. So here we fucking are, wasting our goddamn time. We got more values for the answer key right here. So just some hard-coded numbers right here that we're going to pop into the answer key. Positive and negative directions for our hunk vectors. Which direction are they pointing in on the x and y axis, positively or negatively? And then we have these anchor points. So A, B, C, and D are the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right extreme corners of the central level pack of the central level. So this is the actual one-dimensional index address on our 2048 by 2048 texture for these four corners. Also, you could call them data pixel index, top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right, or A, B, C, D, whatever floats your boat. We'll make sure that both these are the same. And then down here, corner indexes. We're going to need some of these corner indexes to figure out the rest of the answers for our unit test. We don't know what these are yet, but if we go grab onto corner indexes, we can see like a little diagram of what's going on here. I don't have time to explain all that. You'll have to watch the longer video to explain this any further than what we're doing here. Okay, 16 data pixel indexes, okay? K2 is 2048 because we're on a 2048 by 2048 texture. We're doing some more asserts here. And here's the data pixel indexes of all of our test cases, our test output cases. We haven't figured out everything. We got some unsolved values. We have values 4, 7, 9, and 13 are already solved because they are within the bounds of the central level pack, so the math is a little bit easier. And we're going, this is the x-axis calculation, and then we also have like a y-offset calculation, and we're doing it in kind of one-dimensional math in case that looks kind of weird. Okay, so here's our answer key right here. This needs to be a signed value. I made a mistake there. And then we're just filling out the values here, right? All the values are now filled out. We are out of fucking time. I don't want to record this again. My name's Kanji Coder.